All right, so totally stock TRD off-road Tacoma versus totally stock off-road Ram. Ram has better tires. These are the old trails I used to ride near South Carolina, so pretty fun stuff, pretty slick clay. I used to drive under this tunnel all the time.
The driver's side is pretty solid.
Yeah, I'm not locked in.
Mushed right into it.
Very well.
Speed power, eh? Oh, goodness.
Okay, not too bad for a 6,000 pound Dodge.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about moving my little Toyota through there. If you had gotten stuck at the end there, you'd have left carpet. You were an absolute mudslide going through there.
Dude, the fucking V8 motor, man, I tell you what.
V8 motor.
Like my little baby A-Track? That's cute.
I can tell that you've got like really good traction on the back wheels when you back up.
Yeah. Not too bad.
Okay.
And she did it, boys. Amazing. Your hitch is just digging a big hole down it. Wow.
This is a Dodge Ram sized hole that I'm about to slide through here. Whoa!
Oh. No, you're not.
Oh, okay.
Hello, A-Track. That's gonna be a no. There's something hilarious about using trucks like most people use four-wheelers. I think you're moving. That tire's got some really good grip. I don't know, it's slick. Here, I have an idea. Go for it. It made it like to back up again. first real road trip in the 2022 Ram Laramie 1500. And it is an excellent road trip vehicle, except for a few annoying things. By a few, I mean 3. There's a really bad whistle, you've heard me talk about. Dealerships try to fix it. When you put it on recirc, listen. Super high pitch whistle. And sometimes it comes on, it starts even if you're on fresh air. But if you toggle it from fresh air to recirc back to fresh air, you can usually get rid of it. That is supremely annoying. The seats could not be more comfortable. The AC seats keep you from getting swamp ass and whatnot. Phenomenal. Driving position is great. The lumbar support, the materials you rest your arm on, very comfortable. It's very quiet in here except for the whistle. You got an acoustic windshield on the Laramie. You've got really good sound deadening. You've got the frame that has the active vibration canceling little motor thingies. It's all great. The gas mileage, if you drive a reasonable speed, is decent. So I'm going 75, 76, and I'm getting 16 currently, but my average is 17.4 because I was on Nova Road and I was only doing 65. So if you drive this thing slow, you can get decent gas mileage. But if you go up to 80, you're looking at 15 miles per gallon. So I missed an exit, which resulted in me taking a scenic tour through downtown Savannah. You can't really complain about that mistake. All right, we are almost to Charleston. We've got another 33 miles to go. Traffic's been a little annoying, so I've been going pretty slow. The result of that is on this tank, we've gone almost 400 miles so far, averaging 18.1 miles per gallon, and this trip's been 6 hours long. So you can do the math there and get my average speed. Not very high, but that's why it's been efficient. But you know, 18 miles per gallon is pretty good for a truck that can tow 11,000 pounds and seat 6 and has a decent sized bed. So this weekend's road trip is just about over. Currently on this tank, 17 miles per gallon. And you can see I got a quarter of a tank left after driving from Charleston, South Carolina to St. Cloud, Florida. Pretty impressive, but it's just because I have a giant 32 gallon tank. Trip info, total of 906 miles. Overall miles per gallon was 16.7, and that includes some off-roading. So that's why this number is a little lower than this number. The off-roading was on the other tank. So gas is obviously very expensive, so about $200 to drive back and forth to Charleston in fuel. And this truck now has 6,500 miles, so it's getting pretty close to being able to go in for its first oil. Be happy with the gas mileage, considering how much traffic I hit. If I was in my equivalent Silverado, I would have got better mileage, but I'd be running premium. If I was in my old 5.3 Silverado, the 2015, that thing got like 22 miles per gallon doing the same drive. So that would have been a pretty big savings given the price of gas.